Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best open source Slack alternative, and that one is a Zulip. Using this application, you can solve your much more problem via Teams and emails related points. How to download, where is available, how we access, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google, no matter which types of operating system or smartphone device you are using, and just simply type here zulip.com on enter. So first link is display here. Look at this here. Zulip is open source team chat and topic based system. Zulip is one of the modern team chat app. You can download the application, plan and prices, login organization and login in. We will see detailed demonstration. Just simply I click here and look at this here. This is a framework of Zulip. Chat for distribution teams. Zulip combine real-time chat with email trading models. With Zulip, you can catch up important conversation while ignoring ones. So many informations are available here. Here some of the comparison of Zulip and Slack. So Zulip look like this, Slack look like this, and some other comparison also available here. So you can very easily analyze which one is the best and which one is not best. Some of the very nice comparison is going on here. If you want check as a price, you can click here and see the price get started today. So look at this here, free. If you are using as a free, no need to pay anything. 10,000 messaging, search history, file storage up to 5 gigabytes. They are providing absolutely free. Full furnished chat services they are providing us. Advanced role and permission, guest account related informations available, free cloud services, you can create account. If you go with as a standards, unlimited search history, file storage up to 10, message relevant policy, and some of the features is added here. $6.67 per month is very cheap, and some self-host Zulip features also available here. If you are going with the standard, it's very cheap price of Zulip. Some of the research related informations are available here. You can see here Zulip the most complete team chat solution. If you go with the features and compare to other application, Zulip is 100% reach your expectation compared to Slack related comparison. That one is really amazing. Product related informations available here. Why Zulip? If you learn much more important points, so you can read those features here. Solution related concepts are, and now we just simply download here. As a download, now I am accessing this application in Mac, so that's why by default comes here in a Mac, but you can download this application as a Windows, Linux, Android, iOS and terminal beta also. So which system you are accessing, accordingly those features are come. Just simply click here. The application size is very small, just only 91 MB. After that you click and install. Just simply drag and drop. You can do same process of Windows also. The application is just simply open. First of all, you need to add here your organization. Create a new organization. I just simply create a new organization. Add your email address here. Check my email address. They're sending me one email. Complete the registration. So first of all, complete the registration here. If you have organization, you can go with directly on your company. Otherwise, you put it here organization name. I just type here organization name of my Research Rocks YouTube channel, Research Rock. You need to add here organization URL. So I just simply type here researchrocks.zulipchat.com, my account, add full name, add password, must be in case sensitive, sign up, and almost are ready. Zulip is ready here. You can invite the user here. I can access those features same in my application. So I just simply type here, this is my login ID. So I type here connect and I'm connect here. It's easy. Research Rocks. So login. As a login point of view, I use my email address. So first of all, I select there, copy this code, and almost is finished. Now look at this. I am accessing Zulip here in my computer system, and this is the application. If I close, then after I open Zulip, so second time no need to sign in here. Once you sign in, so you can access as a lifelong. Add organization related information you should add here if you have alternative. Then if you are using as a official work. So here recent conversation is going on, just I install, so no conversation is going on here. 30 days automatically renew packages. So now if you want to add someone, so you just simply click here and invite the user. So as a invite the user point of view, you need to add here one of the email address. So I just simply type here one of the email address of my, and I send there. Invitation expire after 10 days, 3 days, 1 day. You can decide when you expire this particular invitation. As a guest member or monitor organization administrator, you can provide the name of this particular person, and I just simply say here, and the invite user invite is successfully done. Now I just simply accept this invitation and we'll see. After I sending this invitation, your particular person also register on Zulip, so we can access very easily the conversation. Here general related concepts are available here. You can access those features, is amazing. Like this, you can type as a message as a general point of view. But after you creating one of the standard group, as under the my section, I am suppose administrator and other team members are in my colleagues, so we can chat very easily, conversation here. So many options are available here. You can enable here do not disturb, reload facilities, go back here, and here setting. So inside the settings, some of the options are available: general, network, organization, and shortcut. If you use shortcut key, some shortcut keys related options are available. Organization, so you can add the organization, and if you are logging here and you want disconnect for this ID and someone are accessing the same features on this application, so need to disconnect and someone are connect here. Network related informations are available here, so that is a really amazing helpful. Show the app logo, you can decide here automatically when login here. Always start the computer is a minimize, quit when window is a close. Some of the features are available here and all features comes here. If you have awareness of Slack software, so this is a, you can consider this is a upgraded or extended version of Slack, and that software name is a Zulip. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.